Hi, I'm Meredith from Graco. I'm going to show you how to install your Forever DLX Grad 5-in-1 car seat in rear-facing mode using the lower anchor attachment. Before we begin, you'll need to prep your car seat. Remove the infant supports and seat insert and set them to the side. Now, rotate the cup holders out. Then, pull the lever on the front of the seatbelt trainer to lift and remove it from the car seat and set it aside. Make sure the tether strap is stored by attaching the tether hook to the storage location on the back of the car seat. Next, remove the lower anchor strap from storage by pressing on the red button on the lower anchor connector. Repeat on the other side. Be sure the lower anchor strap is routed through the blue rear-facing belt path. Using the handle at the front of the seat, recline the car seat into one of the 3 rear-facing recline positions. Make sure it clicks into place. Place the car seat rear-facing in your vehicle. Make sure the base of the car seat is flat on the vehicle seat, and at least 80% of the base is on the vehicle seat. For easier installation, fully extend the lower anchor strap by pressing on the gray button. Make sure the vehicle is on level ground. Then check the level indicator to ensure the bubble is completely within the blue zone. If it's not, adjust the recline. Lift the seat pad to expose the snug lock lock-off. Open the snug lock lock-off by lifting the gray lever. Make sure the lower anchor strap is routed under the snug lock lock-off and is in front of the buckle strap when the buckle is in the innermost position, or behind the buckle strap when in the outermost position. Attach the lower anchor connectors to the lower anchors in your vehicle. Make sure the arrows point up and that the strap lies flat and isn't twisted. To tighten the lower anchor strap, place your hand on the center of the seat and pull on the free end of the strap. You can also pull the free end of the strap through the belt path to help tighten if needed. Once slack is removed, close the snug lock lock-off until you hear a click. Test for tightness by placing your hands at the rear-facing belt path and move the seat side to side and front to back. It should not move more than 1 inch. If the seat moves more than 1 inch, open the snug lock lock-off, remove more slack from the strap, close the snug lock lock-off, then retest for tightness. Check the level indicator again to ensure it's still completely in the blue zone. Replace the seat pad. Reattach the seatbelt trainer by inserting the locking tab into the slot at the back of the seat. Thread the buckle strap through the matching slot in the seatbelt trainer. If using the rear slot, you will need to open the belt guides slightly. Make sure to close the belt guides and then push down on the front of the seatbelt trainer until you hear it click securely into place. Reattach the seat insert and infant supports if using them. Move the headrest back to the proper position for your child. Your car seat is now installed.